Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Crypto. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Metamask application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download the application on your PC, you'll need to download an Android emulator. You can download any Android emulator of your choice. In my case, I've downloaded BlueStacks 5. Simply go ahead and download one and come back to this video. Once you've got an Android emulator, click it open to launch it on. Soon after you open up your BlueStacks, go and click on the Play Store button in order to open up your Play Store. If you're not logged into your Google account, you will need an access. In order to open up your Play Store, type in your Google credentials, that is your Google ID and your password, and you'll be able to get access to your Play Store. Once you get access to your Play Store, in the search box at the top, type in Metamask, make a search, and you'll be able to see the application displayed on the screen. Click on the install button right next to the app in order to download it on your PC. Once the download has begun, wait for it to install. Now, once it is done and it's ready for use, you'll be able to see an open button right next to it. Click on open in order to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to get Metamask application for your PC. You'll need to download an Android emulator, or you can also add in your Metamask extension on your web browser and use it from there as well. That is how you can easily download Metamask on your PC. In order to log into Metamask, you'll need to open up your BlueStacks Android emulator or any other Android emulator of your choice and click on the app from the app drawer. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.